Most students don't do well in their exams not because they don't study, but because they don't know how to manage all the 6 subjects efficiently, especially if you have coaching. If you are someone who is only mastering physics, chemistry, and maths, then all your other subjects are slowly and silently going to bring your percentage down. So, how do you efficiently manage all 6 subjects in one single week? Hi everyone, my name is Sejal and welcome to my channel. If you are a 12th grader facing problems in how to manage all the 6 subjects, then you have found the right video. Because in this video, I will be breaking down how to manage all the 6 subjects efficiently in one single week. I have divided this video into 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A is for those students who do not go to coaching and are solely preparing only for their board exams. Part B is where most of the students lie, that is, people who go to coaching. So let's get started. As always, the PPT slides will be displayed over here. So let's start mapping it out, shall we? Every 12th grader, or most of them, have 6 subjects in total: physics, chemistry, math. Some people also take bio or computer, and some people also take psychology. So I'm going to keep computer and psychology as your optional subjects, and the rest of them I've laid it out as it is. So starting with Monday, you will be covering one core subject and one optional subject. Optional subject again is either computer or psychology. So physics is a core subject paired with an optional subject so that you don't have to take on a lot. Tuesday is chemistry and math or bio. And if you are a student who has taken both math or bio, you can balance it out with the optional subject on the other days. So Tuesday is chemistry and math. Chemistry, do all the equations on this day, and for math or bio, do diagrams and solve problems. Wednesday is for math and English. Here is where you go deeper into the math solving because you have an easier, lighter subject, that is English. So you can give more attention on math on this day. So Monday, full attention for physics. Tuesday is for full attention for chemistry, and Wednesday is for math. So this way you can balance it out with the other subject. Thursday is math or bio. So here for the bio students, you can give full focus for bio on Thursday since you have given full focus for math on Wednesday, and you can balance this out with an optional subject, computer or psychology. Friday, again, more focus towards physics and a lighter subject, English. Saturday, if you have a holiday, then you can do chemistry and math together, but if it is a working Saturday, only focus is chemistry. So do only chemistry, no other subject on this day. Sunday, which is obviously a holiday, you will be revising physics, chemistry, math, bio, all the subject revisions, plus you will be solving one board paper each. Like, I am not saying to solve the entire board paper, but whatever concepts you have studied in the entire week, take a board mock test so that your board percentage does not go down. Coming to part A, that is for those students who are focusing only on boards and they do not go for coaching. For you people, you have 2.5 hours of focus daily towards your core subjects. Since you're not going for coaching, you can give your 100% in your board preparation. So 2.5 hours daily towards your core subject preparation. 1 hour is for your school backlogs, be it your homework, project work, record work, whatsoever. Finish it in 1 hour. And 1 hour is for your optional subject that I mentioned in the schedule before. Coming to part B, that is those students who have coaching and are managing boards side by side. 1 hour is for reviewing whatever you have learned on that particular day in coaching. The second hour is for your core board syllabus. You can pick out the subject that I have laid out for that particular day and spend 1 hour on it, understanding that. And the next hour is for your optional subject, which is the second subject in the schedule. Then also keep 30 minutes for doing your homework, project work, and record work. If you want to know how to manage time and coaching and both together, I have made a separate video, a detailed video explaining everything properly. So you can check it out over here. I'll put the link over here. So please do check it out. It will be very, very helpful. Managing 6 subjects can feel impossible only if you don't have a proper laid out map. Take a screenshot of the schedules and adapt them to your school timings. And as I said, I have made a separate video for daily scheduling and how to manage everything in one single day, both weekdays and weekends. So please do check them out. And just like the last video, I have also made personalized weekly calendars for you guys that you can fill out however suits you. I'll link them in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. This was a short and crisp video on how to manage all the 6 subjects weekly. If you are facing any more problems, you can drop them in the comments below and I will make sure to address them in the next video. Stay tuned until then. Keep studying, keep working hard, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.